Hi guys, hello. So I am here for hashtag all things and for so it's hosted by Jane over at the Crafting Shed Davies, and every sort of 3 months or so she gives us a prompt to do all things. So this time it's all things birds and butterflies. I will list in the description box the participants that I know about so far, but you are welcome to join in if you just pop on over to Jane's page and let her know that you want to join in, and obviously subscribe. Okay, so today I thought I'd do birds, and I'm gonna do some easy birds. I remember doing these in school, and I've seen them about a fair bit online as well, where you just do the fingerprint and then you draw in the details with your pen, and they always look super cute. So I thought I'd do some of those as cards. Okay, so I've got my basic blank white card bases there, and I'm just going to do some matting for them. Okay, so those are the card pieces done, card bases, and then we can get along with the pictures. Okay, so I have got my inks here and the horrible brush that I hate, and I'm gonna do I've got this gorgeous pickled raspberry, and I love this colour. It's so like bright and vibrant. I really hate this brush. A nice bright blue as well. So this is Mermaid Lagoon. More green than blue, isn't it? I think it's because I'm using the same brush and it had a little green on it, maybe. Got all those bits coming out. Right, I think I'm going to leave it at that. I don't like it, but I think I might try, like I know some people use their like mats and smush it on. I've not ever tried that before, but I think that would be cool. So I'll do the same colours and see how it comes out. And then I'm going to add some water. I haven't got a spritz gun with water in. I've only got one with alcohol in it. And then I'm going to smush that around. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love that. That's come out so gorgeous. Oh, good. It's plugged in. I don't have to mess about with too much. Ow. So this one seems to have birdies. Happy birthday, best wishes. Oh, that's a bit boring. Bit boring, and it doesn't even have bird sentiment. I don't like the boring sentiments. I want something punny or sweet. Be your own kind of beautiful. I mean, that's nice. That's a nice sentiment. Especially if we mess the card up. I want to emboss it. Now that I've got my heat gun out, I might as well actually use it. That way. I really want to get a misty. Like, you know, because then it holds your things down with magnets, and it just, oh, this drives me nuts. It drives me absolutely bonkers. Just nothing sticks to this anymore. No stamps. Do you think it should go at the bottom? Maybe I do one at the bottom, one at the top. Like one card, not two sentiments on the same card. I've never been particularly good at heat embossing, so it's not a surprise to me. Okay. So we're going to do the watercolours on this one. Or try. Maybe I should put the line on first. I still can't find my ruler, so the line is just going to be done with a pencil. And while I've got the pen out, might as well. Okay, let's see if this do a yellow. The little yellow one can be teeny tiny. See how the lighter colours go. Yeah, they don't show up as much, so I think I'll stick with the darker colours. Right, I'm going to let them dry, and let's do the acrylic ones. Red, purpley blue, get on white, and a bitty green one. There we go. So we want some cute little feet. This one can be looking at that one. Oh my goodness. It doesn't look too much like a bird. Oh no! Oh no, will you look at that? That's come off completely. All of the glitter. Oops. Okay, we can fix that. We're just going to stick a sentiment over it. If I try and do it like that. How's this one? Oh, this one comes off too. So the glitter embossing powder, I don't rate too much because it comes off. And do the little feet again. I've seen them come out so much better than this. I don't know why mine look. Did I only give him 1 foot? Oh my goodness. But to be honest, I've not seen these for a little while. So maybe I should have looked them up to see how other people did them, because their faces are ridiculous. I think that they're so funny though. I really like them because they are so ridiculous. I mean, that would make me laugh if I got that. It would brighten my day. Do this again. Shall I just do it in normal ink? Yeah, I think I'll just do it. I don't think I'm gonna go on with the embossing. Oh no, that one really wasn't dry. Oh well. Make it look purposeful. I want to put some scraps on the back of this just to make it stand up a little more. So I just use scrap pieces of paper instead of the dimensional foam, because I find that a lot of the time it puts it up more than I want, and it's a really good way to just use up your scraps basically. And then you can kind of decide how, like if that wasn't high enough for you, you can put another layer or two on. Then I want to and this might be a disaster, but I don't care. I want to see what effect paint splatter has on the ink. So what have we learnt today? We have learnt that I am terrible at heat embossing, but that's not something new that I learnt, because I already knew that. And yeah, I just got to keep trying it out. I think it's because I don't do it very often, because I'm rubbish at it. I don't get any better because I don't try it, because I'm rubbish at it. So I think I've just got practice, really. And these are my cute birdie cards, which I kind of love. I'm not going to lie. I mean, they're a bit janky, but they're like laugh and make you smile kind of janky. So it's all good. It's all good. So yeah, go and check out the other participants for everything, or all things birds and butterflies. There's some really wonderful makes, but I had fun doing it, which is what art is all about. It's about having fun, expressing yourself, experimenting. It doesn't always have to be perfect. It doesn't have to always be good. A huge thank you to Jane over at the Crafting Shed Davies for hosting this fabulous collaboration, and coming up with the fun prompts every 3 or so months. It's great to participate, and thank you so much for being patient with me, because I have missed a fair few where I just have not been feeling it, you know. I kind of lost my mojo a bit over here, and I'm trying to get it back, and I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. And a huge thank you to you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will hopefully see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Love ya. Bye.